Let's go ahead and take a look at the document uploader for the ServiceM8 job management system. So the document uploader is designed to, again, make you more efficient in delivering your service, and its primary function is to be able to associate or pre-associate a document or a PDF with a line item within your bill of materials or your services and materials. So what this means is that you'll be able to select a service or material and be able to pre-associate a document or a data sheet or a PDF that you will always need when using that particular item. The system will then, when it notices that item being used within a particular job, it will automatically attach that file or PDF or document to that job card ready for use. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in action and how we go about setting up and using the document uploader. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do is click on the document uploader within your add-ons tab, which will now be loaded to your system. What you'll notice is that we have a settings page, and in the settings page we can go and start creating and attaching the material to a document or the document to a material so that it is ready to be used within the job card. So over here we have a big green button, and we go ahead and click on that. And what we're able to do now is to go and search our items and materials and find an item or material we wish to attach or associate a document with. So in this example, we're going to have a look at a typical scenario of a pest control company that needs to have chemical data sheets attached to a line item. So in our materials and services section, we're going to search for our rat and mite bait. So let's go and have a search for that. And there we can see that we've got our rat and mouse bait blocks, and we go and select that item over there. Next, we want to go ahead and attach the data sheet, which is associated every single time we use this particular product for our customers. And so we go ahead and select that file. And over here, we can see we've got a PDF, and that is the data sheet that we require. So we're going to go and select that. And this is now ready to upload and be associated with that particular line item. So we're going to go and click the Save button. And what we'll see here is that we now have this particular line item, and it has one document associated with it. Now it's important to note that you can upload as many documents as you want up to the limit, which is listed over here. So you've got 25 megs of documents that you can add, provided a single document doesn't exceed that. You can continue to add multiple documents, and should you wish to go and remove a document and replace it with a new one, you can simply click the X. It will remove that current document that's associated with this line item, and you can go ahead and add a replacement document. Like I mentioned, you can add as many documents as you would like to this particular line item. So this could be perhaps another scenario where you'd like product information about a particular product that you sell, and you want it available within the job card as soon as you list that line item in that job card. So an example of that is the boiler that we have listed over here. If we go ahead and have a look, we have actually got the installation manual. So this again makes it very easy for your team. As soon as you build out a quote or an invoice and you list this item within that bill of materials, that will automatically attach that PDF to the job card. So let's go and see how we work with that within a job card and just how easy it is to use. So within our dispatch board, we're going to go ahead and select a particular job. In this instance, Tasty Cakes Cafe. We're going to go and open that up. And we are going to go and start building out our quote or invoice. We are going to go and select our rat bait. In this instance, we're going to go and select that. We apply that. We're going to click save, and the system is, or the line item is now saved in the system. And as soon as it detects that line item, the system will go ahead and find that attachment, associate that, and attach it. There is a small delay as this has to be polled within the system, and so if you click and immediately open up, in some instances, depending on the size of the PDF, it might not immediately appear. Just be patient. Within less than a minute, you should see 9% of the PDFs or documents attached. Again, it's just a function of the size of that document that you have applied. So if we go ahead and open up this job card, what you'll notice is that we have our attachment already attached into the job card, ready to be used, whether we want to send an email out to the customer and we want to attach the data sheet, or whatever the case may be. It is now accessible to both the team as well as the office to use that data sheet as necessary. So a super simple and efficient way to have documents added and associated with a line item, again saving heaps of time and money, of course.